Yay! We are here to write our final project. As I said in the first video, we are going to write a program to guess a favorite fruit. Let's write code for a simple guessing game we are going to play with our friends. We are going to ask our friend to think of their favorite fruit in their mind. They are not going to tell us which is the fruit because we have to guess that. Now, we are going to ask them to give the color of that fruit which they have in mind. So that is going to be a clue. We are going to use that clue to guess their favorite fruit. If the color is green, we want to print that the fruit is pear or guava because it is green in color. If the color is yellow, we want to print that the favorite fruit is banana, mango or papaya. If the color is red, we want Python to print the favorite fruit is apple or strawberry. If the color is blue, then we want Python to print the favorite fruit is blueberry. If the color is orange, we want Python to print the favorite fruit is orange. So finally, we are going to write our else block saying that I am not able to guess your fruit. I'm sorry. So if they say any color for which we have not written any condition, for example like white or violet, then we can display that print statement which says I am not able to guess your fruit. So let me go to Python and show you my code. So first I want to ask for the color of the fruit. So I wrote an input statement. So here I've written my input statement. So whatever value the person gives will be in this variable called color. Next, we are going to use if condition to print the correct statement. So I have written if color is green or if color is equal to yellow, your favorite fruit is either banana, guava, mango, papaya or pear. If the color is orange or the color is red, then I am printing saying that favorite fruit is orange, strawberry or apple. If the color is purple, then I print that the favorite fruit can be grapes or jamun. Finally, an else statement where I am not able to guess your favorite fruit. Okay, now let me run this code. I am thinking of apple, so I am giving the value as red and I press enter. So I get the output, your favorite fruit is orange, strawberry or apple. And I was thinking of apple. It's good, right? So in this code, I have combined green and yellow and I wrote one print statement. And in the same way, I combined orange and red also. If you want, you can also write separate conditions for green, yellow, orange and red. And you can also add many more colors to the code. Now, I wrote one more version of this code. Let me open that file. Alright, so I have that file. Here, I have added time delay and also some more print statements to make the game very interesting. So when we add time delay, it will look like Python is thinking and answering. So it makes the game more interesting. So the value inside the time.sleep command will tell Python to pause for that many seconds. So I have put 3, so it will pause for 3 seconds before going to the next instruction. You can change the number in the time sleep to whatever number you like. You can even put 1000 seconds and it will pause for 1000 seconds. So also when we use time.sleep, we also have to use this statement at the top called input time. See, it's right there at the beginning. I will explain more about the import statement and a nice new concept called libraries in our advanced courses. For now, you can just add import time at the beginning and add time.sleep wherever you want in your code. Now, let me run the code. And I have also added one more input statement to ask for name. So let me give my name and press enter. You can see how it pauses after each sentence because of the time delay. Finally, I give the color red again and get the output. So I hope you enjoy this project and I am waiting to see your code. This is the final project in level 1 of our Python course. If you are watching this video, then you are very close to successfully completing level 1. Congratulations. Keep up the great work. We are very happy to be a part of your learning journey. There are a lot of interesting things to learn in Python and write many super cool programs. So, see you soon in level 2. Until then, bye bye from codePannu team. We love you. As always, if you have questions, you can comment below and we will answer it.